RDDT Stock. Tomorrow, right, is either buy or sell. This is a very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Reddit.com or just Reddit stock, Reddit incorporated stocks. I'm very bullish on, right? It's not like I'm very, very, very bullish, but I'm bullish. And before I lay it out for you, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of it because it's the truth and I've documented everything. So we read it. I myself want to see the price pull back into my, it's almost there, because I've seen a double break. We have a proof of concept that the price wants to go up. And the only way that I would approach this is like from a 5 minute to like 1 minute chart. Actually, 5 minutes I think is going to be the perfect one, but I want to see the price exactly tap below 45.72 and then give me a double break so then I can have the right risk to reward in the right direction of buy. So it's not financial advice. This is just the way that I would approach this. It's obviously do your own due diligence. For a free course, check the first link in the description. Here are the reviews, 100% 5 stars, so you know it's good.